In this video, I'll show you how to format Realme Mobile perfectly. Open settings on your Realme Mobile, then scroll down and select additional settings. From here, again scroll down and select the backup and reset option at the last. Here, select the reset phone. At the last, you see the option called erase all data. Select that. Now it asks for the screen password. Just enter it and a pop-up will come. There you need to select erase data again. It asks you that are you sure to continue? Yes, we need that. So click on erase data. Now the Realme logo is shown like this and it takes some minutes to complete this process. Before doing this, make sure you back up all the data in your mobile. Also, make sure to copy to an external hard disk or any cloud storage. Once it starts, there is no going back. So this is how you can format the Realme mobile perfectly. If you found this information is helpful, don't forget to click that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips and tricks followed by gadget reviews, mobile reviews and more. I'll see you again in the next video.